See why I wanted
Let's
to
go
look
take a look at the reason why the quality and consistency. Come with me. Look at the control room. Everything is automated. You know, we're not adding things. Everything's done by scales and perfect in timing and done with a computer system.
So it's all touchscreen. It's all touchscreen. If I touch one of these conveyors, it's going to start, right? Is it clear out there on the trommel?
You see how the hoppers are all set up? Everything is dialed in and scaled, so you know exactly. The consistency is super important in mix designs. Most important thing is quality sourced inputs and then consistency on the mix. And so with these hoppers, each individual one, you can put an individual, if it's a guano or a mineral, or even if it's a blended component. But everyone's super important that it's measured with scale. So you know when it's dialed in, the exact amount of whatever's in this hopper ends up in the mix line for consistency. From 2 years ago to 2 years from now, we're going to have the same quality and same consistency in the mixes, and that's why Big Rootz is number one in its field. Right? We started with a trommel, started with bucket mixing, couldn't get consistency, couldn't get quality. Started with using not sourcing inputs, compost that was coming, that was certified organic from municipality green waste dump sites. All those mistakes I've made along the way have built me to who I am today. I'm built by my mistakes. Today, hands down, you get what you see right here.